बरं का, ही जी डरपोकगिरी, ज्याला शिवसैनिकाच्या भाषेत गिरी म्हणतात, हा नादानपणा म्हणतात.
हम दिल से धन्यवाद देते हैं संजय राउत जी का, क्योंकि संजय राउत जी की वजह से पूरे के पूरे जो विधायक है हमारे पार्टी में पहले आ गए, अभी आज सांसद 6 के 6 हमारी पार्टी में आ रहे हैं।
One slip of tongue turned lethal for the Uddhav Balasaheb Thackeray faction of the Shiv Sena. After speculations loomed the air over a rebellion within the party. Many from the Mahayuti claimed that it was Sanjay Raut's behavior that pushed the MPs and MLAs to jump ship. Now, 6 MPs of the UBT Shiv Sena are set to officially join the Shinde camp.
टाइगर तो हमारा 365 दिन 24 घंटे चलते रहता है, मगर हमारे जो नेता है एकनाथ शिंदे जी, श्रीकांत शिंदे जी, उनके ऊपर, उनके कामों के ऊपर प्रेरित होते हुए ये आदरणीय शिवसेना प्रमुख बाला साहब ठाकरे जी को जो विचारधारा है, विचारधारा मानने वाले सब सांसद है, और आज दोपहर को 3 बजे वो हमारे पार्टी में प्रवेश कर रहे हैं। उन्होंने लोकसभा अध्यक्ष को उस तरह का निवेदन भी दे दिया, और लोकसभा अध्यक्ष को निवेदन देने के बाद वो हमारे पार्टी में शामिल हो रहे, तो हम उनका स्वागत हम दिल से धन्यवाद देते हैं संजय राउत जी का, क्योंकि संजय राउत जी की वजह से पूरे के पूरे जो विधायक है हमारे पार्टी में पहले आ गए, अभी आज सांसद 6 के 6 हमारी पार्टी में आ रहे हैं। भविष्य में जो बचे हुए 3 है वो भी इसी तरह से वो अगर गाने दिख गए तो हमारी पार्टी में आ जाए।
But who are these MPs? Why are they dissatisfied with the party leadership? Here is a closer look. The latest crisis erupted after 6 Shiv Sena UBT MPs skipped a key parliamentary party meeting in Delhi amid growing speculations of a split. Party leaders responded by issuing a whip and initiating damage control efforts as reports emerged that the rebel group may align with the Eknath Shinde-led Shiv Sena faction. But who are these MPs? They are Sanjay Jadhav, Sanjay Deshmukh, Nagesh Patil Ashtikar, Bhausaheb Vakchaude, Sanjay Dina Patil and Omrajan Nimbalkar. 56-year-old Sanjay Jadhav is a 3-term Shiv Sena UBT MP from Parbhani, who has been one of the key loyalists of the parties and Thackeray's. What makes Jadhav's defection a significant setback for the Sena UBT is the point that he remained with Uddhav even after several of his party MPs moved towards Shinde camp in months following the June 2022 split caused by Shinde's revolt. 58-year-old Sanjay Deshmukh began his career in the undivided Shiv Sena. However, he left in 1999. Later, he joined the Congress and then the BJP, and then back to Shiv Sena UBT right ahead of the 2024 elections. Deshmukh was fielded from Yavatmal Washim. He is known to be one of those who helped UBT win Vidarbha right after 2022 split in the party. Like Deshmukh, 49-year-old Nagesh Patil Ashtikar, also a first-time Lok Sabha MP from Hingoli. Throughout his political career, he has been with Shiv Sena UBT. He defeated Baburai Kadam Kaulekar of the Shinde camp in 2024 elections. Ashtikar is one of the key Marathawada leaders of the Shiv Sena UBT. 74-year-old Bhausaheb Rajaram Vakchaude is a second-term Lok Sabha MP from Shirdi in Ahilya Nagar district. He first entered the Lok Sabha in 2009 on a Shiv Sena ticket. However, ahead of 2014 elections, he left Shiv Sena to join Congress. Vakchaude remained electorally inactive for years until in 2023, he joined the Shiv Sena UBT. He is one of the most senior MPs in Shiv Sena UBT. His victory in 2024 helped the Uddhav Thackeray faction regain a key seat from Shinde faction. 57-year-old Sanjay Dina Patil is a second-term MP from Mumbai Northeast. Patil joined Shiv Sena in 2019. His 2024 victory was significant as Uddhav Thackeray's faction sought to maintain its influence in Mumbai even after the 2022 Shiv Sena split. Also, Patil's wife is an elected Shiv Sena UBT corporator in BMC. 42-year-old Omrajan Nimbalkar too is a second-term MP from Osmanabad. He has been a lifelong Shiv Sena leader and is considered to be close with Uddhav Thackeray. He is seen as one of the younger and more active MPs in the party. He has maintained a strong presence not only in his constituency but also in parliamentary proceedings.